Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, TCS admit card for the remaining candidate now has been released, and the exam date is 14th and 15th of June. I can still assume that few more candidates are still there who did not receive the admit card. So friends, I wanted to tell you from the beginning only, please have patience. TCS is one such company who fulfills whatever they promise. They had told if you are eligible, then definitely you will be receiving the admit card. So this is a link for downloading the admit card. So you can download the admit card from this link. You would have definitely received the email. Even if you have not received the email and if you have not received the admit card, then what you can do, you can go through this particular email and check if admit card is available. Now, friends, how mail you will be getting, right? So here you see TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, 15th June 2025 admit card. So it will come download. So it will come from careers@mail.dclm.com something. So TCS is still conducting NQT exam. Just got my admit card now. Okay, then Ramesh is also telling I too got the admit card. Okay, and this is how you will be getting the mail. So TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, 14th of June 2025 admit card download. Please be informed that admit card of TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, which is scheduled on Saturday, June 14th, 2025, is now available to download by login at the link given below. User ID is given, registration and first time login password. These details will be given. Friends, see, I always tell you, right? So please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, because any information, you check your spam folder also. So any information, whatever I'm bringing for you, you should not miss it. Okay, because this is once in a lifetime opportunity, I will say, because once you miss this opportunity, gone. Getting into TCS is again not possible easily, right? So each and everything we are bringing it for you. Okay, so please do subscribe, and after you get a job you unsubscribe, I don't care at all. Okay, but right now you getting a job is my priority, my team priority. So in case you forget your password, you can use the forget password option to retrieve your password. All the details has been given. Friends, in the recent examination which happened some days back, right? So there you can see, sir, hi sir, I got TCS Prime interview call, thanks for your videos. So this is all our application, right? So you know we have the courses, and from there, sir, I am having TCS digital interview, will they ask DSA? So that is again our student. Finally selected for a Prime interview. Okay, sir, I'm happy to inform you that I have been selected for TCS Ninja role. Here you can see, sir, thank you so much for your support, I selected for Prime interview. So this TCS NQT crash course, right? Sir, already I am selected in Accenture because of you, and now way to crack TCS. Okay, sir, here, sir, I got mail and selected for Ninja, right? And here also you can see, friends, whatever we had taught, the same question. Sir, most questions which you are teaching are repeating, sir. Today morning shift paper, most of the question is repeated. Okay, thank you, sir. Almost all questions pattern you taught are in the today's paper. So if you are getting the result like this now, okay, from 2025 batch, selected in Prime, selected in Prime, selected in Prime, selected in digital from 2025 batch. So if you are getting the result, that means you have also put effort, and more than that, friends, right direction was always required. So this TCS NQT crash course played a very important role for the selection in Prime, digital, Ninja, because we have covered mock test, live classes are there. See, again, if you're from 2025 batch or 2026 batch, any batch, right? So we have started this classes from yesterday, June 10, 2025. So from yesterday only the batch was started. And if you're from 2025 batch going to write the examination, this course will help you 3 to 4 days. Go through all the important questions, and the YouTube videos also, which was done in the last moment, that will help you a lot. Okay, so TCS crash course, no, this has changed life of many, and you could also see, so in the last year itself we had given 5,000 plus selections itself in TCS. Okay, so in TCS, and you can see there are a few of the students, because I cannot put many students on our this thing. So we had also had one event. So this TCS crash course is definitely has changed the life of many people. Now they are working in TCS, and if you really want to get placed in TCS, there is no other alternative. I am telling you, TCS NQT crash course, where mock test, live classes, the current questions, the questions asked in 2024, in 2025, all those things you will be able to get here in TCS NQT crash course. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and put lot of effort, because this is one exam which gives 100% possibility that definitely you are going to get selected and onboarded also. Take care. Bye bye.